Why does your scanner show the P20B9 engine code? What does it mean? P20B9 is a diagnostic trouble code for reductant heater A control circuit open. This engine code indicates that this issue can lead to the check engine light illuminating, reduced engine performance, and potential issues with the diesel particulate filter (DPF) regeneration. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Reductant Heater A. Wiring issues. Reductant Temperature Sensor. PCM. SCR Controller. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes, Nissan, Ford, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.